warning for western Kent County and central Delaware, northern Caroline County and eastern Maryland, northern Talbot County and eastern Maryland, southeastern Cecil County and northeast Maryland, Kent County and northeast Maryland, Queen Anne's County and northeast Maryland. This includes the city of Centerville, southwestern Newcastle County and northern Delaware, until 6:30 a.m. At 5:19 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. This storm was located 14 miles west of Newtown, or 13 miles northeast of Baltimore, and moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Newtown around 5:35 a.m., Langford around 5:40 a.m., Oldtown and Chestertown western Kent 45 a.m., Starkey Corner and Churchville around 5:50 a.m., Open Carville around 5:55 a.m., Oakland and Goldsboro around 6:05 a.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, large hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 a.m. Friday morning for northern Delaware and northeastern Maryland and southern New Jersey and southeast Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 a.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Cecil, Kent, Queen Anne and Talbot. The severe thunderstorm warning. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 o'clock a.m. Friday morning for northern Delaware and northeastern Maryland and southern New Jersey and southeast Pennsylvania. Severe thunder.